This is cezad001b, part of Orient's Power Reserve Multi-Eyes collection. This is what you call the fashion statement. Take a look at the dial, how everything's positioned, how much layering there is, and how it all comes together in this beautiful dome crystal square case. Let's take a look at the bold second hand located at the bottom. Orient decided to put the second hand at the bottom because it creates a more sporty feel while keeping it very elegant on the dial. Right next to it with a silver rim is the date indicator. And over by the 12 o'clock position, we have really the crown jewel of the movement, basically. The real important feature of this watch is this power reserve indicator located by the 12 o'clock position. Now, before I go into the power reserve, I want to explain to you how much layering is involved on this dial. We have the dial, we have the white color from the power reserve indicator, as well as the second hand, and just from the overall circle surrounding the entire dial. And on top of that, we have the time hands, which gives it a very three-dimensional feel. The hour indices, as well as the hour and minute hands, are all luminous. The power reserve indicator also has a luminous tip on its indicator hand. Orient logo located by the 2 o'clock position. Now, let me explain to you what the power reserve indicator is. Just like when you put gas into a car, this is exactly what the power reserve indicator does. It's almost like as if you have a fuel gauge on your watch. So what that means is you know exactly how much power there is in the spring, just like you know how much fuel there is in your car. So as you're wearing the watch, you are pumping gas into the watch, because the movement of your wrist is what generates the power for the watch. As the watch is stationary, like right now, it will be consuming that power, so that indicator will slowly go back down to 0. Now, these units over here are all in hours. So we have 10 hours approximately on the indicator hand, so we know for the next 10 hours that this watch will continue to run. The leather band is black, complements the dial, as well as the white stitching. The buckle used is a deployment buckle, which means that you have to depress 2 buttons on the side of the band to release the buckle, which will reduce any sort of unintentional release of the buckle. The case back used is a snapback, which has our company logo and serial numbers. This is cezad001b.